was just so bored staying in my house all the time. We couldn't leave either because of the COVID situation or the heat wave or the humidity. So my aunt and uncle who stay in the south decided to call me here to this city to stay with them. And that is obviously very, very kind and sweet. And I accepted the offer. Everything here is just so much better than north. The temperature, the skies, COVID situation. And I have my own space here. I've got my own room where I stay, work, sleep. I love the view from this balcony. There's so much greenery outside. And the skies are just always changing throughout the day. And it's so blue. It's beautiful. And I also see a lot of butterflies out here, but I haven't been able to photograph any of them or make a video of any of them. But it's mostly very peaceful outside. It just feels like it's a bliss. The weather in north was pretty bad until I decided to leave. But by then everything was already finalized, my flights were booked, etc. So I thought it'd be nice to get some fresh air. Jubilee. Where I am right now, it's kind of a hilly terrain. Obviously not hilly like Himalayas. So this is the topmost point in this city. I've been enjoying the crisp air that this area is surrounded with.
Arya, can you see Falaknuma Palace? Has Arya been to Falaknuma? Yeah. Okay, Arya, can you see Falaknuma Palace? No.
So now the question is, where am I? What is this pretty place that I've been showing you guys? If you've been following my stories on Instagram, then you might know. Before I disclose where I am, I'm gonna cue in the montage of all the things that I've been up to and of this beautiful place. Enjoy.
Julie, you are indecisive. Oh, where will you go from now? Where will you go from?
Very good. Move, Julie.
I love falling.
You got chakna for the kids, Shubidhi?
Yeah, I'm gonna choose next.
Oh, are you buying me clothes?
No, I'm trying to.
Oh, you've got a nice choice. No, I don't like it much. Won't look good on me.
Find your own dress.
Oh, oh, nice. I have no issues. Be careful.
Yeah, I'm staying.
The day after I landed, my sister took me to this very elegant patisserie called Concu. And there was this one dessert which stole my heart. I'll put the picture somewhere here. I think it's called a cream puff. I tried looking for the actual name but couldn't find. This is what it is. It was so soft and airy and not too sweet, just the perfect amount. Yeah, and it was the opposite of heavy. It was like the perfect dessert that you would want when you feel like eating something sweet. Okay, if you haven't been able to guess already, I am in Hyderabad, the capital of Telangana. It was formed 6-7 years ago. It's got lovely weather, amazing food, amazing people, and having stayed in North India, in Bombay and now in Hyderabad, I can vouch for that. Okay, this is Jubilee, my aunt's dog, rescued and adopted. Once a car ran over his feet, and another time he was hit by a car and broke his hip bone. But for a street dog who's been through so much, he's way too gentle and loving towards human beings.
Oh my god.
I love him. Rest of the week I just did filming, editing, because the lighting is amazing here, as you can see. Maybe not on my face right now. When you close these doors, there's almost negligible sound. So that's great if you're a video editor. You don't have to do so much of noise reduction. So I worked on my previous video, and whenever I took breaks, I played fetch with Julie. Now that I'm here and going out and meeting people again, I feel like I'm living again, or at least I'm living in a city again. Earlier I used to feel like I'm living in a village because, not that there's anything wrong with it, but sometimes it's just good to have something other than nature to be happy about. You know what I mean? In lockdown, we were all stuck inside our houses and the only thing that we could enjoy was nature. But with time, everything changes, and hopefully it will for you as well if that's what you're looking for. And the weekend and the week that followed, I had a lot of fun. There were night outs, there were early morning walks, there was a concoction of North Indian and South Indian food that I had all throughout the week. It was so much fun, and all of that is going to be in my next video. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye!